It's Halloween here at Hong Kong Disneyland. I'm about to watch a parade. Diba, bebe? So as you already know, Shanta and I are here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Surprisingly, a lot of Filipinos work here. Mga Filipino. Galing. Galing. Kilala mo ba?
Kilala ka.
No matter where you go in the world, you will always find Filipinos.
Look, it's Daisy.
Goofy knows how to speak Cantonese. Now, because it's Halloween, we're going to show you just how awesome Disneyland is at nighttime.
And this is where toys come to play.
Yeah, I hated that thing that scared the crap out of me when I was a kid in that movie. Toy Story Land! Woohoo! Looks like they have a pirate ship, baby. And like a giant drop kind of thing. Ah, yan ang gusto ko.
Kailan ba ka maliit nakita?
Ay?
Kay 7 na.
Ang ano?
Antay.
Oh, hindi. We have 1 hour pa nga eh. What ride is this one, Shanta?
Parachute drop.
The parachute drop?
It's from Toy Story, diba?
Yes, it is from Toy Story.
Dito yan.
Is it makaradlok?
Na.
Dapat naka-shorts tayo eh.
Shorts pa lang.
Dito naka-rizzy. Parachute na hindi mo bago.
Balloon. Mukha na nga akong balloon.
Let's go. Kailangan iwanan ko ang camera ko dito. Saan tayo, bebe? Dito na lang. Dito na lang, sige na. Ah, bebe, sayang.
Seconds later.
Yun lang. That ride was palpak. The best thing about Disneyland at night, Sleeping Beauty's castle. It's our song, baby. Disneyland has come to an end. My camera's died and we lost all our friends. Pero basta sa wakas, kasama pa rin tayo.
But I want to find them.
Wala siyang pake sa akin. She wants to find her friends. Did you like Disneyland, baby?
Yeah, but I want more rides na itong nakaka-cool ba?
I know, right? Yeah. When we go to Australia for Christmas, I'll take you to Dreamworld, baby.
Next up, join us as we leave Hong Kong
So many casinos in Macau, grabe.
and explore the island of Macau. And we ran into this American girl that speaks fluent Chinese.
Hello， 係馬尖，我係一個教會嘅傳教師啦，係啦，啱啱做完啦，父母嚟到接我哋，好開心。
Wow, that's so awesome. That's so crazy.
Abangan!
You talk in Tagalog.
Good night, everybody. Till the next vlog.
It's beautiful life. 난 너의 곁에